Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the jar of pickles in Five Nights Tower Defense. First, ensure you have unlocked the Easy Mode difficulty for the specific map. This method focuses on consistent unit placement and strategic upgrades to minimize risk. We will cover the optimal starting units and their initial positions to build a strong defense early on. To begin, choose the Forest map on Easy Mode. This map offers a straightforward path for enemies, making defense simpler. Start by placing two basic guard units directly at the enemy spawn point. Immediately follow this by deploying a medic unit behind them. This initial setup provides essential damage and sustain for the early waves, setting a solid foundation for your defense. As you progress, focus on upgrading your basic guards to level 2 before wave 5. This significantly increases their damage output. Next, introduce a sniper unit to deal with tougher, higher health enemies that start appearing. Position the sniper to cover a long stretch of the path. Finally, add a second medic to ensure your frontline units receive continuous healing, maintaining their health through sustained attacks. For the final waves, deploy a heavy gunner unit near the middle of the map. Its area of effect damage will clear out large groups of enemies quickly. Continue upgrading your existing units as funds allow, prioritizing the heavy gunner and snipers. Once you defeat the final boss on Wave 10, the jar of pickles will be yours. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.